Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you or we will guide you through the process of sending money from your Temu to Cashapp. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer funds seamlessly. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and type cashapp.com and hit the enter button. That will normally take you, okay, let's just type normal Cash App here, hit the enter button. It's cash.app, it's not cash.com. And of course, here will have to go and log in into your account. Of course, preferably that you have the application in your phone. And if you don't have it, you can simply scan this QR code and get the phone or the accounts from there. If you don't have an account, you can simply go and create your account on your phone because you'll not be able to do on the browser. And once you log in into your account, of course, before you can send money, you will need to ensure that your Cash App account has sufficient funds, of course. And to add money, you can tap on balance as example on your Cash app that you downloaded as an example, and of course, you'll this will be followed by add cash and button, and enter the desired amount you wish to add, and choose your preferred funding source, such as linked bank account or debit card, and you can confirm the transactions to add funds to your Cash App account. Of course, now we'll have to go and open a new link as an example and look for Temu.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Temu. Once you are here, of course, you'd like to go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create an account. So there is two options to do this transfer of money. The first thing, of course, is to link your Timo account to your Cash App account. So to transfer money from your Timo to Cash App, we will need to link your Timo account. So you can simply go to the settings menu in Cash App and select linked accounts and choose add bank or a card and locate the Timo in the list of available option and follow the prompts to enter your Timo account details. Once completed, your Timo account will be successfully linked. Sometimes you may not find this, maybe in the future they may have removed it or something like that. So there is the other option using your PayPal and Paxful. But as an example, if you found this like there, of course, once your account is connected, it's time to send money from Timo to Cash App. You can simply go on Cash App home screen and tap on send button and enter the recipient's Cash App username or the email address associated with their Cash App account and double check that the details to ensure accuracy. Then before confirming the transfer, you can review the transaction details on the next screen and ensure that you've entered the correct amount and recipient information. You can even take a moment to verify everything is accurate to avoid any errors. And once you review the transfer details, of course, you can click on confirm to initiate the transaction, and Cash App will process the transfer from your linked Timo account to the recipient's Cash App account. And after the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation email on the app, and also you'll have to go and check your transaction history to verify your successful or the successful transfer of funds. But as I said before, if you didn't find Temu there, you will have to go and do some stuff. So first of all, make sure that your PayPal account is linked to your Temu account. So once you get an order and someone pay for your order, you will get your money on PayPal. Once you get your money in PayPal, we'll use a Paxful app or website. So simply go and open a new tab, type paxful.com. And again, if you don't have an account, you can simply go and log in into it. And if you have an account, of course, log in into it. If you don't, you'll have to go and create an account. Once you are here, make sure to verify your email address, your phone number, so you'll be able to do transactions here. And make sure to even go and enable this 2FA or two-factor authentication, so you will not be any problem, and your account will be secured. And once you are here, you can simply go to this buy option as an example and click on buy or click on this drop down menu. I suggest you to go to this USDT. Once you're here, go to this pay via, and of course here you're going to choose PayPal as an example. Here choose the currency, it's going to be USD, and click on, of course, worldwide, and click on find offers. Once you're here, as you can see, you can look for the buyer that you would like to buy from and make sure they are verified or they have a good amount of feedbacks. Then simply click on buy. Of course, you can keep an eye, or you should keep an eye on this. A lot of other details like this minimum purchase, maximum purchase, if they have any additional things. As you can see, this one no verification needed, and just payments will be made by friends and family PayPal payments, and of course some will have like some specifics. So let me just turn off this so we are all clear. And of course, now I'll have a lot of options. So as you can see, every one of them has its own thing. So once you choose that suits you, you can simply click on buy. And here you'll have to go and enter the amount that you would like to send from your PayPal now into your Cash App, which is basically was on your Temu. So here as an example, let's just say I would like to send like 100 USD or 1000 or whatever it is. And of course, you'll have to go and click on buy. And you will have to, of course, verify your email address and phone number as we said before. And you will be able to send or to buy USDT from your PayPal. Once you have it on your Paxful app, you can simply go to the sell drop down menu, click on it, and click on sell USDT. And here we'll have to go and type uh, get paid via, and here you'll have to go and type Cash App. As you can see, you'll find it here. Choose worldwide, and here choose any currency or USDC or USD, and click on find offers. Here, as you can see, we'll find verified users that will pay us on Cash App. You can simply go and select whatever suits you. Example, let's say this one, of course, depending on price, minimum, maximum sale, the trade speed, and if they have any information needed, and even if they are verified, and if they have a good amount of feedback. Once you choose what suits you, you can simply go and click on sale as an example. And here you'll have to go and enter the amount that you have in USDT. As an example, you bought 100, so simply that's what you're going to receive in your Cash App. And as you can see, on selling, you will have to pay a 1% fees. So you will have to, or you'll need a 101 USDT in your account on Paxful. So you'll have this, or you'll receive this amount on your Cash App. Once you verified your email address and phone number, you'll be able to sell. And of course, you'll be able to contact your this seller as an example and give him your credentials or information of Cash App. Then once you sell, you'll find your funds on Cash App, and that's how you transfer money from Temu to Cash App using the second way, which is using Paxful. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully learned how to send money from Temu to Cash App in 2023, of course, in two ways, the possible way or the linked way, and of course the Paxful way. So it's convenient and secure way to transfer funds digitally, of course, and you can enjoy hassle-free transactions with your friends and family. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And of course, thank you for joining us in today's video as we explored the process of sending money from Temu to Cash App. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below or go and contact the support of any of the apps that we used. And of course, we'll be happy to help you, or even the support will be happy to help you. Until next time, take care and happy transferring your funds.